Hello dear students, I am Bhavna. Welcome to all on this channel. Today we discuss about tapping software. In this video you will see how to download and install tapping tutor, interface software, how to create a lesson, delete a lesson, tapping techniques, how to increase the speed, accuracy and tapping rhythms, etc. All topics related to tapping software. First one topic, use tapping software. There are many software available which are free of cost and are customized to learn tapping efficiently and effectively. There are mostly used tapping softwares are first one Rapid Tapping Tutor, Tapping Trainer, Max Type Pro and are Type Faster. The Rapid Tapping Tutor are touch tapping software that help to learn the skill of tapping and is available for a free of cost. The software includes simple to complex lessons to master the tapping skill. It can easily be downloaded from the internet and installed on any computer. Steps to download and install the Rapid Tapping Tutor. First one, open a web browser. Then type a URL on the address bar and this page is appear. This is a Rapid Tapping home page. Scroll down and then click a download button and downloading page is appear. Scroll down and then click a download setup 64-bit. After completing the downloading you can click a download file and this window is appear. This is a welcome Rapid Tapping setup window. Click on next and this window is appear. This is a license agreement, then click I agree and select your location and then click on next and click on install button. After installation click on finish and this home screen of Rapid Tapping Tutor is appear. And next one topic, starting Rapid Tapping Tutor. There are two methods. First one is click a start button and click Rapid Tapping 5 and second one method very simple, double click the Rapid Tapping icon on the desktop. And next one, user interface of a tapping tutor. First one, open a software and first bar is called a title bar and this bar shows the name of the application program and this button is called a current lesson button. Check the current lesson and this is a student statistic button. It's check the statistics of user tapping skills and this is a lesson editor button. It's open the lesson editor and this is the options button. Set the appearance setting of the tapping tutor such as a language, keyboard, text color, background color, font, theme, etc. This is a minimize button, minimize the window and this is a maximize button, maximize the window and this is a close button, close the window and this button is called a select course button and it's helps select the type of course and this is a select lesson button. It's select the lesson and this is a start and pause button and you can start and pause the lesson for a while and this is a current lesson time button, shows the time and this is a restart current lesson button. It's used for resume and restart the current lesson and this area is called a text area. It's display the practice text to be typed by a user while practice with a lesson and this is a status bar. Display the tips to be used to improve the tapping skills while working and this is a virtual keyboard. Highlights the key to be pressed when a user is working with a lesson in the Rapid Tapping software and this is a speaker button and to control the volume. And next one topic, touch tapping technique. Touch tapping improves typing speed and accuracy. The practice of tapping using the touch tapping procedure improves the typing speed and accuracy. It enables a touch typist to type without looking at the keyboard. This process of touch tapping technique can be divided into three different stages. First one, stage 1 of the process begins with learning the home row of the keyboard. Stage 2 involves memorizing frequently with the syllables, and stage 3 involves typing actual text to perfect the skills acquired. Begin lesson. To start your first lesson in Tapping Tutor, open a rapid tapping software, then select a category and then select a lesson and start typing. And continue tapping and then finish, and the result window will be appear, the result of your first tapping lesson. The result window display the result display of your achievement in this lesson and offer a range of further action. You can use this window to access your progress along with the process on touch tapping. The topmost bar of the rating pane shows the overall performance of rating. It shows the process ranging from the could be better, okay, good or excellent. And the second bar in the rating pane shows your tapping speed in term of WPM. WPM means words per minute. And the third bar of rating pane shows the accuracy of your typing lesson. And the last bar of rating pane shows the slowdown of your lesson. And next one topic is strength statistics. Open a strength statistic window and click a group menu. And if you want to create a new group, click here. And if you want to add existing group, click second one option. And if you want to save selected group statistic, click here. And if you want to save selected group, click a second last one option. And if you want to select all group using the appropriate menu items, click here. And second one is a strength menu. And if you want to create a new strength, you can click here. And if you want to create a new strength list, click a second one option. And if you want to add an existing list, click here. And if you want to save strength statistic in a different format, click a second last option. And if you want to save selected strengths account, click a last one option. And this is a statistic panel. First one is a statistic toolbar, has buttons the selecting courses, removing selected statistic and customizing the statistic display option. And this area is called course diagram, shows the common statistic for all lessons for a current course. And this area is called a lesson diagram, shows the statistic for each character and keystroke of the selected lesson in the course diagram. And this table is called a lesson statistic table, reflect the full statistic of the selected lesson in the course diagram. And next one topic, working with lesson editor. Lesson editor is a feature of a rapid tapping software, allow you to customize the course as per your requirement. It gives you complete freedom of learning, allowing you to make your own course or modify existing course. And this one area is called a course and lesson list. Include the current keyboard layout current course, sections and lessons. And this area is called the editing panel. Is the area where you can edit the course options and of the selected lesson in the navigation tree, like course goal, lesson view, and to continue the lesson, etc. And this area is called a text analysis table, and it's display the number of percentage of words, characters, spaces and specific character in the lesson. And this area is called a virtual keyboard, highlights the character used in a selected lesson. Keyboard language depend on a course language. You can choose it in the keyboard layout. And next one topic, how to create a new lesson. It's very simple. First one, click a lesson menu and then click create new lesson, and select your course and type a new lesson name, and your lesson is created. And if you want to save a lesson, first one, click lesson menu and then select save selected lesson, and select a location and then save your file. It's a very simple method. And if you want to remove a lesson, first one, select the lesson and then click remove selected lesson, and this window is appear. This is the confirmation window. If you want to remove the selected section, click yes, otherwise press on no. And next one topic, how to calculate the speed. The typing speed can be measured with different accuracy, such as how many words are typed for a certain time period, how many characters are typed for a certain time period, and also how many keystrokes are made for a certain time period. Also there are find a simple speed, means a gross speed, and also measure a net speed. And next one topic is our typing accuracy. The typing accuracy is defined as a percentage of a correct entities out of total entities type. The following table lists the different formulas for the typing accuracy calculation. And next one topic, typing rhythm. In the touch typing technique, the typing rhythm is very important. Typing rhythm means the keystroke should come at equal intervals. To control the constant typing speed, the slow down indicator is used. And in this video, you learn about typing software, how to create a lesson, how to delete a lesson, how to remove a lesson, and also how to downloading and install Rapid Typing Tutor in your system. So many topics you learn in this video. And in the next video, we will start a third unit, digital documentation. And if you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now and press the bell icon for the future update. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.